Good morning, good morning. Ito making a flower arrangement. Gagawa tayo ng flower arrangement. Ayan. Gonna make, okay. The tallest one. Good morning po, good morning. Magandang bayan, magandang umaga sa lahat ng nanonood. Magandang hapon sa buong mundo, all over the world. I'm making a flower arrangement for today. Simple. Ito. I have this kind of flower. Masyado siyang mataas. Gitna siya. Medyo nagtatapo ng mga flower na to, pero okay na rin. Kaysa sa wala. Making flower arrangement for today. Saturday is coming. I want the tallest one. Oh, they're the same, but it's look better. Tapos lagyan ng bulaklak sa gitna. Tara! Simple flower arrangement. Yeah. Malapit na matapos. Magandang gabi sa iyo, magandang umaga sa araw. Sa araw na to. Taas ng konti, kailangan nating i-cut. Yes. Yeah. Alright, tapos. another leaves over here para mas maganda ang dating. Taran! Simple flower arrangement. Ayan. Ganda. Taran! Tapos na po ang arrangement natin. Ayan. Let's make another one. Small vase. More leaves downstairs. So, kuha pa tayo ng down sa baba. I still have more plants down in the garden. Meron pa po akong mga halaman sa garden. Kaya pwede natin kuhanin yung ibang leaves sa down sa garden. Almost done the other one. Tapos na po yung isa. Nagamit lahat ang flowers natin. Eksakto. Tapos ang flowers. Ito. Ilang gladiola na lang ang ilalagay natin. And it's ready. It's too high. Ooh, pretty. Beautiful. Ganda. Ayan, nakatapos na tayo ng dalawang vase. Tatlong vase. Nice! Look at this. Ganda. Wow. Okay.
Where'd you get those white?
Sana, punta ako ng...
Palitan mo ng tubig yan.
Nagpunta ako sa, tawag yan? Garbage. Nagpunta ako sa flowers market. Early in the morning, I get up to go to downtown San Francisco to get some not too expensive flower, but basta mayroon lang ng flower. That's the most. Open my light. Can you open the light? Ayan, nakatatlong flowers ako. This is it. Look at this. And look at that. Dating flowers ko na po to. And look at this. medyo crowded and not full a little bit.
Start na cleaning.
Mm-hmm. Ipupul ng
Where did you
konti.
put my bag?
Yes. Ayos ng konting ayos lang. It will be okay. Alright. Thank you for watching. Nakapaggawa po tayo ng flower today. Thank you. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat for watching. God bless and be blessed and be a blessing to other. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.